Are you tired of endless scrolling on Reddit? In this video, I will show you how to skip through comments like a pro using the jump button on Reddit app. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application of Reddit. You will go to this sign of your profile, you will move and you will click here. When above you will click on this sign. You will find settings, so you will tap on your settings. After that, in this page of your settings, what you will have is comment jump button, so you will click to enable this feature of comment jump button on Reddit app easily. So let's go to see how it so this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press bell like and subscribe. See you next time.